When all is well with Yuvraj Singh, he hits the ball as clean and long as it has ever been hit. The stylish Southpaw's ODI career is full of highlight reels, with the biggest impact being his contribution to India's World Cup triumph in 2011 while fighting the deadly cancer, which puts to shade even his awesome achievement in the World T20, where he famously hit a Stuart Broad over for 6 sixes.
Last ball of the innings, and he's put it away, or has he? Yes, into the crowd! 6 sixes in an over!
But recently, the handsome hunk is in news for off-field reasons. Well, thanks to his engagement with model-turned-actress Hazel Keech. In this video, we reveal 7 clandestine facts we bet you didn't know about Yuvraj Singh. As surprising as it may sound, Yuvraj Singh never wanted to be a cricketer. Yes, Yuvraj never wanted to be a cricketer as a kid. He never liked the idea of playing under the hot sun. He always wanted to be a skater. In fact, he won the National Under-14 Roller Skating Championship.
काफी अच्छा है skating में. Cricket से सख्त नफरत थी उस time. I was 11 years old.
But his father threw away the medal and told him to forget skating and concentrate on cricket. When Yuvraj was 7 years old, he kept insisting his mother to buy him a bicycle. When she finally agreed, he jammed the bicycle into a rickshaw on the very first ride and ended up with 10 stitches. His father Jograj Singh lashed out at Dhoni not once but twice after Yuvraj was left out of Indian national team for the World Cup 2015, and later when he spoke about what he felt about Dhoni's arrogant attitude.
अगर मैं मीडिया वाला होता, मीडिया में बैठा होता और ये इतनी बात करता, मैं उसके रख के चाड़ा मारता मुंह पे कि तेरी औकात नहीं है बात करने की.
His link-ups with the girls have been forever heard of. He has dated Kim Sharma, had a brief stint with Deepika Padukone, dated a South African athlete Grace. There was another brief affair with Riya Sen. There have been rumors about Preeti Zinta, Minisha Lamba and Achal Kumar, and the list goes on. This is not known to many, but Yuvraj Singh has actually worked as a child artist in a Punjabi film. He also confessed that he loves acting, but is not good at it. One of Yuvraj's friends once brought an airgun when they were young, and nobody could figure out how it worked. Yuvraj took the matter into his own hands and accidentally shot his friend. Thankfully, no damage was done. Yuvraj apparently is a very practical person and finds it really tiring to even say I love you to anyone.
मैं बिल्कुल रोमांटिक नहीं हूँ. मुझे रोमांस आता ही नहीं है करना.
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
मेरी एक गर्लफ्रेंड थी, उसने मुझे बोला कि तूने मुझे 8 से 10 बार दिन में आई लव यू बोलना होगा.
अच्छा.
हाँ, तो मुझे लिख के रखना पड़ता है अपने फोन पे मुझे कितने बजे आई लव यू उसको बोलना.